Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Mac runs macOS 10, 13 or later because compatibility matters. Once done, plug the Samsung T7 into a USB-C port or use a high-quality USB adapter. A weak cable causes disconnections. You should not reformat yet. First watch macOS recognize the drive in Finder or Disk Utility. If the system prompts for the Samsung driver, install it. This ensures stable encryption and firmware access, so the drive behaves as intended. Now perform the key setup steps. Open Disk Utility and select View, show all devices so you format the physical T7, not a partition. Choose apps for native Mac OS performance, or pick XFAT if you need Windows compatibility. Always use GUID partition map for bootable or large volume support. After formatting, install and run Samsung Portable SSD software to enable hardware encryption and set a secure password. This protects your data without slowing transfers, which is why you enable it here. Finish by testing. Copy a mix of large and small files to confirm read and write speeds meet expectations, and then always eject the T7 from Finder before disconnecting to avoid corruption. If you used encryption, verify you can unlock the drive after a reboot. If the drive fails to mount, first try a different cable or port. Next, reset NVRAM or the SMC on your Mac, and finally reinstall the Samsung driver. These steps address the most common connectivity and driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.